Lake St. Clair Metropark. We're gonna go hit the nature trails out there, see what we can see. Who knows? It's gonna be, like I said, a peaceful, relaxing kind of vlog type thing. We're just gonna go around and just chill. It's a nice evening here. It's like 70 degrees, so like I said, let's get our yearly pass here and get on inside. So hello everybody. As you saw from the intro, we are at the Lake St. Clair Metro Park here in Harrison Township, Michigan. We're going to be walking through trails. Nothing crazy, nothing exciting. If it is not your thing, move along. If you're looking for a nature event or a nature video, this is it. Let's go have some fun, shall we? Starting out here, you do have the nature center. They do close at 5. It is like 4:50. Not gonna go in there. Don't want to be that person. You do got the parking lot over there, and then the rest of the Lake St. Clair Huron Park all over that way. I do got videos from all over the park. I'm sure I can insert some of those into the video to give you a view of what the rest of it is like. It is awesome. It is cool. But today we're focusing on the nature trail. Got a bit of a fork here. We're gonna go right. So you can pause the video so you can get a feel for the map. As you could see yesterday in the video that I posted, or today, whenever that video goes live. Not sure. And when this one goes live. My Mount Clemens video, let's just say that. You can see that the river that I was talking about that goes into Lake St. Clair's, this is the park that it actually connects to. So all of this kind of connects into one. Kind of cool. What's this? Uh-oh. We're just gonna onwards. We'll hit it with a wide lens so you can kind of get a better visual of what the surrounding area looks like. Cool marsh. I don't know if I like it better in a 1x zoom or a 0.5. Obviously they each serve their own purpose. But an updated map key. Don't really. Oh, so there was 1, there's 2, and now we're on number 3. And then 13 is where I was down there. We're heading on down. So this is cool. Old creek bed. Here's that view I was telling you about. Oh, just in time. Well, that was pretty cool. I saw that sign earlier that said the bridge was closed. Found the bridge. Got another view. I have no idea what this is. I'm no bird expert. I assume it's a crane of some sorts, but I have no idea. Anyone watching this has a clue on what it is? Let us know in the comments. subscribe while you're down there. That'd be cool. I'd appreciate it. And that's about where I'm standing. We have some kind of Metro Park challenge here. So here comes the boardwalk. You have it's a nice peaceful feeling out here. A little windy, but this is cool. Well, we got this one in a 0.5 lens to kind of give you a good view of how it looks. Look a little gray over there. We'll, we'll keep looking this way. Somewhat blue skies. It should probably not have that like that. Obviously, I'm capable enough to walk over that, but some little kid comes running across that, and oh man. Well, we come up here, you got a couple view lenses. It's actually the Detroit skyline. It's Detroit City down there. All right, so we're coming to the end. I appreciate you guys clicking on the video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you could comment, like, subscribe, it'd mean the world to me. We're now circling back to checkpoint number 1 here. I'm currently standing in the middle of that little fork that we first came to. That's the trail that we took down, started, circled around. That's the trail that we just came back from. We have the check mark thing here, the little trail map. Let you know where we're at. We're heading back to the car again. Thank you. I appreciate you clicking on the video. If you could, again, comment, like, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. This has been the video of the Lake St. Clair nature trails. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.